Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Elizafy Creative. I've had some questions on how to set up your workspace in Illustrator. And if you don't know what I mean by your workspace, I mean the panels and the tools on the side in Illustrator. You can add or take away tools that you don't need and set it up to what you want. But you can also use Illustrator's preset workspace settings. I will show you how to do both. But before I get started, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. All right, so I'm just gonna create a new document just so you can see right from the beginning how to set up your workspace. So once I'm in Illustrator here, you'll see on the right-hand side that there's all these panels and tools. This is what I've created for my customized workspace. You can change this by going up to Window, Workspace, and then Illustrator has these preset workspaces that you can choose from. I find that with these workspaces, sometimes you have to add or take away some tools, but I will show you how to customize this. So I'm just going to switch back to mine. And then to add tools, you just go up to Window and click a tool that you want. And then I'm just going to click another one here. And then once I have the tools I want, I can move things around just like this. And then you go back up to Window, Workspace, and then New Workspace. And then you name your new workspace and hit OK. And then your workspace is set up and you can change to whatever workspace you want to use. So yeah, that's how to set up your workspace in Illustrator. If there's something that you're still stuck on or that you don't understand, please put it in the comments down below. I will try to help you out as much as possible, as well as you can message me on Instagram. I will put my socials down below in the description. But I hope you enjoyed the video today. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.